Hello everyone. Today our topic is about using Midjourney to create a prompt book. We'll take images from our own channel and organize them into my notebook. I am using a Notion notebook for this. In it, I have set up several automated processes to monitor the Midjourney channel. Now, whenever a new image is posted, it can be quickly saved into my notebook. For example, let's click this thumbnail to generate and view a larger image. Alright, here's the generated image. Shortly, it will also appear on my end. Now you can see that my prompt book has been updated with this new image. Firstly, the notebook I'm using is called Notion. Notion is similar to Evernote, a note-taking system supporting databases. Yes, and secondly, we are using Make, a tool for automating processes. Similar tools include Zapier and Apple Shortcuts. These functions allow me to create an automated workflow to collect all images from our Discord channel and use ChatGPT to extract keywords and summarize a title for them. Then I organize them in a specific format and place them into Notion's database. This forms a gallery display mode. In this mode, we can show an image's author, creation time, and the keywords extracted by ChatGPT along with my entire prompt. I can also assign a rating to it. Now let me explain a bit. Firstly, we set up a Discord module. This module in Discord has many features regarding channel information. We use a watch channel message feature. With this feature, a connection is established. Usually, you connect through a link. For example, let's name it something like Demo Messenger. This creates a connection with the Discord channel. Now it will be added to your Discord channel through a bot. In the Discord channel, you'll notice an additional bot. This bot is specifically for collecting images here. The bot must be granted certain permissions to read information. Next, we use a ChatGPT feature. ChatGPT here mainly serves to process the data extracted from Discord. ChatGPT helps in structuring the data from Discord, which primarily includes extracting and formatting the files received. In Discord, the received images come in a specific format. Each message includes a prompt followed by an @ symbol and the author's name. These messages are sent by the Midjourney bot. Thus, in ChatGPT, I need to input all messages from the Midjourney bot into ChatGPT for processing. This allows me to utilize two prompts in ChatGPT. One prompt asks it to help me format the entire Midjourney prompt into a JSON file format. Additionally, it helps me generate a 10-20 word title from the prompt. And extract 5 to 10 keywords that best represent the prompt's essence. These keywords should highlight the main features of the prompt. In these titles, I prefer to avoid any explanations and punctuation marks. This makes it easier to integrate into the prompt. Finally, the output from ChatGPT is formatted into a JSON document. This JSON document is then integrated into my Notion database. In Notion, the data is organized into a database format. This database consists of a title, prompt, creation date, and keywords. Within Notion, since I have already established a database format there. This database features a title for each database entry, all the prompts I have written, along with a creation date and keywords, summarized by ChatGPT. Each item's name, in fact, is a summary by ChatGPT based on the prompt, describing its essence. It briefly outlines the subject of each piece. Then there's an artist field indicating who created the image in my channel. Lastly, there's a rating section where I personally rate the work. Finally, it's about assembling all these elements, transforming them into structured data. Each field, like the title derived from Discord, the username, is formatted to become the artist's signature. The prompt is cleaned and structured to fit neatly into the corresponding database field. Keywords summarized by ChatGPT are also included in their respective field. And then the timestamp, which is the time of the post from Discord. Once all these elements are organized, they're brought together in a cohesive format. Then I incorporate a page content element to embed the original image from Discord directly into the database. The image itself, with its browser URL, is extracted and embedded as an image in the database entry. This allows the gallery view to display a comprehensive and visually accessible page.